Welcome back, students. In this video we will be discussing that how can we multiply three-digit number with one-digit number, and we're going to do it by solving an example together. So on the screen you can see that there is a place value chart that I have already drawn for you guys, and you can see that there is a multiplication grid so that we can find the answer of the multiples quickly. Let's start our example, and we're going to place the values in the place value chart. Remember, we always place the bigger value first. So let's start 4 on hundreds place, 5 at tens place, and 2 at ones place. Next we have another number. So we're going to put multiplication or times sign over here, and then we're going to write 4 over here. All right. So let's do the multiplication. First of all, we are going to multiply the number with the ones value. 4 multiplied by 2. So we are going to find 4 over here, and we have to multiply it with the 2. So when you multiply 4 with 2, the answer is 8. Alright. So let's write 8 over here. Next, we are going to multiply 4 with the number that is at the tens place value, that is 5. We're going to multiply 5 by 4. So we're going to do this 4. We already have circled, and we are going to find 5 over here. And let's now see what 4 multiplied by 5 is. So the answer for 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So we have two-digit number over here. We cannot write two-digit number together over here. So we have to just write the ones value over here, and we're going to carry forward the remaining number to the next place value, and that is 2. That means we are going to, whatever the number comes over here, we're going to add 2 in that. So let's move on, and now we are going to multiply 4 with hundreds value. And what is 4 multiplied by 4? Let's find over here. We have 4 over here, and we have 4 over here. 4 fours are, what is 4 fours are? It's actually 16. So the answer that we got over here is 16. Let's write it over here. 16. Alright. And we have two carry forward values. So we are going to add these two numbers together. What is 6 plus 2? 8, and 1 comes down. तो हमारे पास आंसर आता है 18. तो हम यहाँ पर नीचे क्या करेंगे? We are gonna write 8 over here at the hundreds place and 1 over here at the thousands place. So this is the answer, that is 1808. That comes after multiplying 452 with the number 4. We're gonna do another example so that we can understand how to do the multiplication of three-digit number with one-digit number. Let's do this example. Let's put the values in the place value chart. We're gonna write 4 at hundreds place, 2, and then 1. Alright. Likewise, we're gonna put the multiplication sign, and then we're gonna put the number under it. Alright. So what is 3 multiplied by 1? Let's circle 3 over here because we're gonna use it a lot. 3 multiplied by 1, हम पहले ones की value से करेंगे. What is 3 multiplied by 1? 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Alright. Then we have 3 multiplied by 2. And what is 3 multiplied by 2? 3 को हम अगर 2 से multiply करते हैं, what is 3 multiplied by 2? 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Alright. So we write over here 6. And what is 3 multiplied by 4? So let's find what is 3 multiplied by 4. 3 is over here and 4 is over here. And if we move like this, so हमारे पास क्या आंसर आता है? It's 12. So we are gonna write 2 over here and 1 at the thousands place value, right? So what did we got the answer? The answer is 1263. Okay, now we are gonna look into another example. So we have a value of 612 and we have to multiply it with the number 2. So we simply write it over here and we put the multiplication sign, we put 2 beneath one's number and we do the multiplication. What is 2 multiplied by 2? That is correct. That is 4. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ simply लिख देंगे 4. Now what is 2 multiplied by 1? 2 multiplied by 1 means that whatever the number is, it's going to be itself. तो हम यहाँ पे 2 लिख देंगे. And what is 2 multiplied by 6? Let's find it over here. 6 यहाँ पर आता है and 2 is over here. So what is 2 multiplied by 6? It's actually 12. Alright, so that means the number is going to be at thousands place value as well. So this is the answer of multiplying the 3-digit number with 1-digit number, that is 1224. I hope you guys have understood how to do the simple multiplication of 2-digit number and 3-digit numbers using the multiplication grid. See you guys in the next videos.